All right, y'all. I believe the last video we left on was me putting the engine back in. I've gone through a lot of bullshit since then. I lost the keys for the car, lost the title. Now we're back. We're about to finish everything up. I got this half hanging off like this because I was gonna put this back on, and I already put the hood latch back on and connected the cable, but I just got to put this alternator back in real fast because I forgot. And I'm gonna put that in right now. I just put in some trans fluid. It's the AMS stuff mixed with a little bit of red line, the MT85 or whatever it is. I don't know. There's a lot of debate online back and forth, but I already had the red line shit in there. And when I changed the clutch, I put the AMS fluid, and it felt like no difference. So this time I ran a mix of both. Put the radiator back on, put this radiator support all the way back up, so everything's all mounted. She's gonna tighten up the drive shaft for me, you know. And then I just gotta drain the gas tank because it has super old E85 in there, and I'm gonna put in some fresh E85, and I should be able to start it up, and we'll have the first start later in this video. So got the alternator in. It's not all the way in super tight yet, but I'm just gonna bring this up now and just kind of get this all set up now. Line up those holes. Easy. Start threading these in. And you know, we'll get these tightened on this side. Still got the AC condenser hanging down, but we'll get all that going at the same time when I put this radiator in. So we're gonna have to put these in. I don't think I'll be running a crash part just yet. I'm not even gonna be running this car on the street like that yet. And I wanna get an aftermarket one. Earlier, I got 2 gallons of E. Should be enough just to have it start and run. And then we got the radiator and the AC. I try to clean up the fans a little bit. I gotta hook up everything to the alternator now and put on the drive belt. Taking these O2 sensors out, as y'all can see. Shit's not supposed to be. There you go. These are just narrow band, and also you see they're broken. So I gotta go put in the 06 O2 sensors, and so I can hook them up to my 06 harness. All right, so while I was down here, made sure the shifter is straight, made sure all this shit is plugged into the transmission. You see I got the new O2s in. Just gotta reconnect this clutch line. I need to put these 2 in. I'm about to change this dirty ass filter right here. And then I gotta hook up one more part of the harness to the starter, and then pretty much got everything else done. You can see down there, the belt is on. Everything's tight and the clutch is bled. All right, so last night I couldn't start it because it got a little late. But I was actually having an issue with the car though. I was thinking that the IPDM was bad because I do remember when this car was outside, I forgot to put the cowl back. So when it was raining, some of the water was getting in there. So I was thinking at first that the IPDM was bad, but actually I just didn't have it plugged in all the way on the inside underneath. So now I did that, and I cycled the key, and the fuel pump goes, and everything seems solid. It cranks. I just don't have the fuel lines hooked up yet because, like I said, that's the only thing I didn't do last night was put the fuel